If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Venmo, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture, located in the upper left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Security option. This section contains all the security-related settings for your Venmo account. Step 4. Manage two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication option within the security settings. Tap on it to view your current authentication settings. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. You will see an option to turn off two-factor authentication. Toggle the switch to disable it and confirm your choice if prompted. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Venmo account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.